Hi guys, my name is Atar and today topic is DevOps. DevOps is a set of practices that DevOps is a set of practices that combine software development, DEF and IT operation ops to improve speed and development. IT operations to improve the speed and quality and reliability of software releases and development. It aims to bridge the gap between developers and operations teams promoting collaboration, automation, and continuous improvement. Key DevOps practices include continuous integration, CI automated code integration and testing, automatic code integration and testing, continuous delivery, automation, code deployment or to production, continuous monitoring application performance and user experience, agile development embracing iterative and incremental development methodologies, infrastructure as code, managing infrastructure configuration through code automation, automatic repetitive tasks and processes, collaboration, fostering cross-function teams and communication, continuous feedback, encouraging feedback loops for improvement. DevOps tools include version information systems, CI/CD tools, ED Jenkins, Travis, containerization, or Chester tools, monitoring and logging tools, infrastructure provisioning tools, communication and collaboration tools. Benefits. Now we are going to know about the benefits of DevOps. Faster time to market. They are more faster and reliable, improved quality and reliability, increased efficiency and productivity, enhanced collaboration and communication, better scalability and flexibility, reduce cost and errors, improve customer satisfaction. In summary, DevOps is a culture set of practices that tools and aims to improve the speed, quality and reliability of software releases and developers by bridging the gap between developers and operation teams. Here are some key points about DevOps. Collaboration. Close collaboration between development, operation and other stakeholders. Okay. Automation of testing, deployment and monitoring processes, continuous integration of code changes into the main code base, continuous delivery of a software to production, continuous monitoring of software performance and user experience, feedback. Facebook loops to improve processes and software quality, DevOps practices. Agile development methodologies like Scrum, Kanban, infrastructure as code, managing infrastructure configuration through code, containerization, using containers like Docker to package and deploy software, orchestration, automation, deployment of scaling of containers using tools like Kubernetes, monitoring software performance and logging errors, test-driven deployment, writing automated tasks before writing code. DevOps tools, version control system, GTI, SVN, continuous integration tools, Jenkins, Travis CI, containerization tool, Docker, Kubernetes, Orchestra tools, Kubernetes, Ansible, monitoring tools, Prometheus, Grafana, logging tools, ELK, Stack, Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana. Fast benefits. Benefits of DevOps are faster time to market, faster software releases and deployment, improved software quality through automated testing, increase efficiency through automation, better collaboration between development and operation teams, reduce cost through improved efficiency and reduce time. Practices. Continuous testing, automation testing to ensure quality and reliability, continuous development, automation deployment to production environment, continuous feedback, encouraging feedback loops for improvement, infrastructure as code, managing infrastructure configuration through code, monitoring and logging, monitoring application performance, logging events, security integration, integrating security practices into the DevOps pipeline, compliance and governance, ensuring compliance with regulatory requirement tools, Puppets configuration management, Chef configuration management, Ansible configuration management and automation tool, Nagios, Cellulum, Jira, Bitbucket, Circle CI, AVS Code Pipeline.